The Honda CR-V is a mid-size SUV that complements Honda's SUV lineup, offering spaciousness, hybrid powertrain efficiency, and a well-designed interior. It shares its HEV hybrid powertrain with the Honda Civic, combining a petrol engine and electric motors for a smooth and efficient driving experience. The CR-V's cabin is logically designed, and its infotainment system is user-friendly. Moreover, it comes with generous standard equipment. However, the CR-V comes at a higher price point compared to hybrid versions of its competitors, which offer better practicality and arguably more appealing aesthetics. Many potential buyers might find the Honda Civic hatchback, equipped with the same hybrid setup, to be a more cost-effective choice. The CR-V essentially serves as a crossover version of the Civic, sharing its platform and HEV hybrid powertrain, delivering a driving experience that feels akin to an electric vehicle with the added benefit of a petrol engine when needed.